Most people think Grammarly is just for fixing typos, but what if I told you it can literally write whole emails, fix your tone, and even help you land jobs? Imagine having a personal writing assistant that not only corrects your mistakes, but also understands the shade of how you communicate. Communication is key in almost every aspect of life, whether it's in the workplace, in personal messages, or even creative endeavors. And the crazy part, you don't even need a premium plan to unlock most of it. That means you can start leveraging this powerful tool without spending a dime, making it accessible for students, freelancers, and anyone looking to improve their writing. Let me show you how to use Grammarly the right way in June 25. A few months ago, I used Grammarly for one thing: red lines and spelling mistakes. I thought that was all it was good for. I was limiting myself to just grammar checks, ignoring its bad potential. Then I discovered the tone detector. This function blew my mind. It goes beyond what you write and analyzes how your messages might be received. It's like having a second pair of eyes that can catch not just the errors, but also the emotions and intentions behind the words. Then came the rewriter. This feature is powerful for anyone struggling with structuring their thoughts clearly. It takes your sentences and provides suggestions to improve clarity, flow, and engagement. Imagine transforming that awkward sentence you drafted into something that reads seamlessly. Seriously, I would throw a few rough ideas and to generate a polished script. It felt like having a writing partner who could keep up with my chaotic brainstorming sessions. And that's when I realized that this tool is way deeper than people think. It's not just about avoiding embarrassment over typos, it's about elevating your entire communication game. Here's where things get crazy. Grammarly doesn't just fix your grammar, it reads your mood. Let's say I write, "I need this by tomorrow." With Grammarly's tone detection, it will say, "Hey, that sounds a bit aggressive." This is particularly useful in a professional environment where first impression matters a lot. Instead of sounding demanding, it suggests, "Could you please send this by tomorrow?" See the difference? That slight shift in wording can change your entire interaction and lead to better response from colleagues and clients. This is huge for professional emails, cold DMs, job messages, and anything where tone matters. A well-crafted message can help you advance in your career or build stronger relationships. Now let's take it mobile. Grammarly has a keyboard that replaces your phone's default one. How many of us have sent a text message that we later regretted because of the typo or an awkward tone? With Grammarly's keyboard, whether you are replying to WhatsApp, writing Instagram captions, or sending text, Grammarly is cleaning it up for you. It's like autocorrect, but smart and polite. And honestly, better. You no longer have to stress about how your messages might be perceived, allowing you to focus on what really matters. Let me show you the game changer. Grammarly Go. This is Grammarly's new AI writing assistant that takes your writing experience to a whole new level. Picture this: you give it a short prompt and it writes for you. Whether you need emails, cover letters, captions, or even full blog posts, it just does it. And the cool part, you can pick your tone, length, and even who you are writing to. Are you aiming for a professional tone for a job application or something casual for a friend? Grammarly Go has got you covered. So what do you get for free? Grammar, spelling, punctuation, tone detection, synonym suggestions, Grammarly Go with basic limits. What do you get in premium? Advanced sentence rewrites, full clarity suggestions, formality level. But honestly, for most people, the free version is powerful enough. It covers the basics and some advanced features that can dramatically enhance your writing without breaking the bank. I have used Grammarly for over a year now. In that time, it helped me write faster, fix those embarrassing mistakes that pop up right before hitting send, and even improve my script writing game immensely. Grammarly Go shocked me because it made my rough ideas sound clean in my voice. It understands my style and maintains it, which is crucial for authenticity, especially when creating content. Is it perfect? No. No tool is without its flaws. But if you're a student, a creator, or someone who writes a lot, it's a must-have for you. It reduces the time spent editing and increases the quality of the work. Now it's your turn. What's one writing or productivity tool you use every single day? Drop it in the comments. I will test the best ones and shout you out in the next video. Let's build a library of smart tools together. Grammarly is way more than just a spell checker. It's a writing companion that can transform how you communicate in a world where every single word counts. And now that you know the full powers of it, go try it out for yourself. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe if you want more real tech tools that make life easier. And watch the video right here. where I will show you more tools 99% of people don't know about.